1 gram of DNA can hold over 433 petabytes of data. So they said, this is crazy. So Microsoft started experimenting with this too. So they were able to take data, zeros and ones, convert it into ACT and GS, which is what write is on our DNA, and then put the data in a volume on DNA, and then take the data from the DNA and move it back from ACT and Gs into zeros and ones, and put it back on another computer. So now they have made a working DNA hard drive, which now you can store immense amount of information. They estimate that one human body can store 13.5 billion years of data. And how old is the universe? 13.5 billion years. Everything that exists, everything that's happened since the beginning of time, is stored inside of your individual body and minds as well. We're a walking universal library. We are the way for the universe to figure out and explore the third dimension and understand what it's like to be and live in the third dimension. Is every individual living thing, and we're all connected through this quantum entanglement. Every single thing that exists is all connected, still connected. Space is an illusion, distance is an illusion, separation is all an illusion. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.